Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive on Android. First, you want to go into Google Drive. From here, you want to tap on Home in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top left-hand corner. And you're going to select Backups. Then you'll see WhatsApp backup right here, and you can see the last backup date was the 14th of January for me. And you can tap on the three dots, and you see two options. You can delete backup or you can turn off backup. And that's it. As you can see here, your chats and media, including photos and videos, audio and documents, are backed up on Google Drive. If you change device, you can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.